Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make your laptop or PC speakers sound louder in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the little speaker icon. Right-click on it and select Open Volume Mixer. This is where the magic happens. Now, make sure your laptop speakers are selected. If you're on a desktop, it might show your external speakers instead. Next, check the main volume slider and make sure it's all the way up. Seriously, don't be shy, crank it to 100%. And while you're here, scroll down to see the individual apps. Sometimes your system is loud, but the app you're using is set low. So go ahead and turn those up too. This little trick alone can make a huge difference. Now let's go a step further. Go to your search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. Switch to large icons if you don't see much, and click on Sound. Right-click your speakers and hit Properties. Then head over to the Enhancements tab. Here's a hidden gem, Loudness Equalization. Turn this on, and what it does is it evens out the sound so quieter parts get a boost. It makes everything sound fuller and louder without distortion. Click Apply, then OK, and you're done. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to make sure your speakers are pumping at full volume. Your music, videos, and games will sound way better.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!